Have you ever wished you could learn things faster? Whether it's mastering a new skill, preparing for an exam, or simply absorbing information more efficiently, there are proven techniques to speed up the learning process. In this video, we'll reveal the science-backed methods that can help you learn faster and retain more. Let's dive in. The first and most effective technique is active recall. Instead of passively reading or highlighting notes, test yourself repeatedly. Ask questions, try to recall information without looking, and summarize concepts in your own words. Studies show that actively retrieving information strengthens neural connections, making it easier to remember. So, ditch passive reading and start quizzing yourself. Next up is spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all at once, space out your learning over time. Reviewing material at increasing intervals forces your brain to work harder to retrieve information, which strengthens memory retention. Apps like Anki and Quizlet use this technique to help you learn efficiently. Multitasking might seem productive, but it actually slows down learning. Instead, use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This improves focus, prevents burnout, and helps your brain absorb information more effectively. Also, eliminate distractions, turn off notifications, find a quiet place, and give your full attention to the task at hand. One of the best ways to reinforce what you've learned is by teaching it to someone else. This is known as the Feynman Technique. When you explain a concept in simple terms, you quickly identify gaps in your understanding. If you struggle to explain something, you probably need to review it again. So grab a friend, a family member, or even an imaginary audience and start teaching. The more senses you engage, the better you learn. Try combining visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, write notes by hand, or use mind maps. This multi-sensory approach strengthens memory and makes learning more engaging. Believe it or not, sleep plays a huge role in learning. During sleep, your brain consolidates information and strengthens neural connections. Lack of sleep can impair memory and cognitive function, making learning much harder. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to maximize retention. By using these techniques, active recall, spaced repetition, focused learning, teaching, multi-sensory engagement, and proper sleep, you can drastically improve your ability to learn faster and retain more. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch how your learning speeds up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing tips. See you in the next video.